branches, leaves. Do you remember what each part does? Hey, take some time to go online and view trees in a variety of weather conditions. Rain, storm, wind, sunshine. Ready for our STEM project? Let's get started. Let's go. With a paper towel roll, a variety of leaves, tape or glue, a paintbrush for the glue if you use glue. Make a 4 to 5 inch cut every ½ inch at the top of the row and bend outward to create branches. You can also do this in the middle. Just be careful not to cut the whole tree down. Build a tree with a trunk, branches, and leaves. Adjust the branches and glue on the leaves, or tape them. Either one works. Wow! Thank you for joining me today and exploring nature at its finest. Hey, don't forget to visit Professor Petrie's Playground channel to embark on your own exciting discoveries. Until next time, goodbye.